I was just showing this to Horacio. The way this works, it's like a finger trap. When you pull down on it, it cinches over your finger or over the winch line. So I unfed this, and now I'm gonna cut it just using a nice sharp razor blade. This is the Fast FID from Factor55. And it actually has berry length by rope diameter. I typically just go the full length, if not even farther. Just scrunch this up. It's the same concept. Around, and then on this winch there's a sleeve, so you'll want to just kind of put that out of the way. But you stretch the rope around, and I'm gonna make a loop about that big. So I'm gonna bury it the full length of this piece. So scrunch this up. I'm gonna go through the full length and then pass back through. But that lets you set your depth. That's a good loop. Now I'll pass back through. And then down the length of the rope. And this is the trickiest part, but anybody can do it. And this is the same procedure for when you're out on a trail and somebody's winch line snaps or something crazy like that. There it goes. Kind of just scrunch it up and pass it through. And it might kind of fight you. There. So now it's fully buried in there. And with the end of the rope unscrunch it. Pull that out. if you can. It looks a lot better if you can bury this tail inside. Just like this. There you go. That loop is a little small. I could have made that a little bit bigger, but it's just as safe. And now the clamping force will keep that together. So the last step in the process is just to give it a good yank. I'm still in full free spool. And then you take your cable protector and put that over. There you go. That's how you put on a Flatlink for a synthetic line.